Hey guys, I'm pleased to announce the release of the Stylized Environment Mega Series. Within a few weeks, you could have all of the powers and knowledge needed to be making amazing quality stylized 3D scenes that stun, even if you're a beginner. I'll be showing you every step I took to go from a default cube to this fully animated scene. This will cover everything from modeling, texturing, sculpting in the case of the dog, and animating all in Blender 3D. See, when I first started out in Blender, I spent a while struggling on uninformative tutorials, and that led me on a journey over many years to create my own methods and tools, and I'm excited to say that I'll be handing you all of them on a silver platter. We'll start the course off by talking about design and how you can go about coming up with your own unique designs and world ideas for your scene. This is a very important part, as understanding what makes a good looking scene and art in general is just as important as the technical skills. Next, I'll introduce you to the 5-step stylized asset process that I use to model and texture great looking customizable stylized assets. The reality is, a stylized object can be reduced down into this easy to follow 5-step process. It's kind of like a cheat code, and I know you guys will find it valuable. After that, we'll then block out our scene and get to texturing everything. Through this process, you'll learn how to gradually build towards an awesome looking scene with many different elements, so you then have all the knowledge you need to go and make your own worlds without worrying about limited knowledge of how to make things in Blender. And after things are in place, we'll animate to give our scene some liveliness, which includes animating the leaves and branches, camera, dog, these mushroom guys, and the foam trails as well. I'll also be showing you how to go from a default cube to this rigged dog model as well. This is almost like a mini series within the series, and through this you'll become capable of making some amazing creatures if that's what you want to do. See guys, part of the reason that makes stylized stuff like this challenging sometimes is that we don't have many of the features that regular non-stylized stuff in Blender has. For example, bounce lighting is generally not possible for stylized objects like this, which is one of the reasons why I developed the Stylized Asset Suite Pro, a Blender add-on that makes making stylized stuff way easier. With this add-on now, if you want bounce lighting on your stylized model, you just calculate it, and then boom, it's there on your model, and you can dynamically adjust its color and strength. You guys will get this add-on for free upon joining, and we'll make use of this add-on while making our environment scene, as it really helps to give quality. It's a layer-based system that lets you make customizable assets like this plank I showed you, and once you're done, you can just bake your work to a single texture so that you can use it elsewhere. Not only that, but you'll have access to our Discord community if you need any help with anything or want to collaborate with other members. With over 20 hours of content in the series, you're going to seriously reach a new level as an artist, so I'm warning you, only join if you're prepared to reach new heights, because I don't hold anything back inside. And don't worry, if you don't like it for whatever reason, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. With all that said, I hope to see you inside, and let's make some awesome stuff.